a good bird.
Yeah. I love this life. Yes, I do.
First morning in Oahu.
So nice here.
It is so nice here. We're at the Hilton Hawaiian Village and we're staying at the Rainbow Tower, which is actually the one behind us. It's got a little rainbow on the side, but you can't see it from here.
Yeah, and it has the most beautiful ocean front views.
It does. So we're actually going to walk down the beach here in Waikiki. We're going to just see what we see and
find somewhere to eat breakfast?
Yeah, eat breakfast, yeah.
It gets even better when I'm spinning it with you. The lonely stars are all jealous, it's true. Cause they got nobody to hold like I do. I love this life, yes I do. It's honey sweet, feather soft when I'm with you.
This is great, this lagoon.
When I was little and I came here, that island to me was huge. Like I remember it. It's still like good size, but you know in your mind you have it and it's like massive. And my sister and I took those boats out like every single day.
Did you really?
Isn't that cool? You guys are gonna do it too?
Yeah. You know, this is where they film a lot of scenes from Hawaii Five-0, the show. Did you ever see that show, Hemi?
No. I watched it on the plane over here. And I could see the Rainbow Tower and I was like, that's where we're staying. Paddle boat! No, aqua trike. Aqua trike.
Okay, aqua trike or aqua cycle they call them.
Aqua cycle water trike. So.
Okay.
Let's see the 7 wonders, jump from an aeroplane, dive all the deepest oceans, run with the bulls in Spain. Let's take the New York subway, get off in Venice Beach. They do it big in Texas, but you're still my Georgia peach.
Guys, where are we going to next?
I want to see nice.
Stay nice, let's go.
I love this life, yes I do. It's honey sweet, feather soft when I'm with you.
Here we go, guys.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's a neat place. What do they have here? Smoothies, banana bowls.
Yeah, it's like ice cream out of banana.
Oh, okay, all right.
Dive all the deepest oceans, run with the...
What's his name?
Frankie.
Frankie, all right.
They do it big in Texas.
At least wait till we're done with dinner. So we're at the Bali restaurant, which is downstairs in the Rainbow Tower where we're staying. So beautiful setting. They're actually going to have some fireworks out here in a couple minutes.
Let's see the 7 wonders, jump from an aeroplane, dive all the deepest oceans, run with the bulls in Spain. Let's take the...
That was great, wasn't it? That was so fun.
It started sprinkling a little. It's actually really cool.
Yeah, that was great.
No, but this is like where we have dinner there and then come out. They have this area where you can go down to and watch it.
Oh yeah, doesn't get much better than this. Oh, that was a great intermission for our dinner, wasn't it?
It was so cool.